Hello everyone and welcome to Nupur's Kitchen. My today's recipe is Ragi cinnamon cookies. I have already shared the list of ingredients in description box. Now we need a bowl in which you will take 2 tablespoons of butter, 3 tablespoons of jaggery sugar or brown sugar, anything as per your wish. And now we have to whisk until it's completely smooth. If we are taking jaggery, we'll have to crush those small bits and pieces of jaggery. And then whisk till the consistency is something like this. Now let's add dry ingredients. I've taken 1 cup of roasted ragi flour and 1 cup of whole wheat flour. That I'll be adding into it gradually. Now we'll add around half tablespoon of baking powder, a pinch of baking soda, 1 tablespoon cinnamon powder and half tablespoon vanilla essence. And now again we have to mix all these dry ingredients, and then with the use of our hands we have to knead a tight dough. We'll be using around 4 to 5 tablespoons of chilled milk for making a dough. Now our dough is ready. We'll take small portion and roll it between our palms and press it gently and start making cookies. So by the time we are doing this, you just put your oven at preheat at 180 degrees. I'll show you 2 or 3 examples. Like you can take a fork and press gently in the center. For other design, I'm using a simple cutlery stand from my kitchen. I'm making flower stamps over my cookies. And now I'll line my baking tray with a parchment paper, or you can simply rub some butter over it and bake at 180 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. Once done, cool them over a wire stand and store it in an airtight container. Your Ragi cinnamon cookies are completely ready, and you can enjoy it with your tea or coffee or as a mid-evening or mid-morning snacks. If you like the recipe, please like, share and subscribe Nupur's Kitchen. Thank you.